Title: The Test of the Living. Arin stood at the doorway of the ancient observatory, a place their university professors spoke about in half-whispers. It was said that inside, the boundary between reality and legend blurred, where science revealed itself through story. Arin had come for one reason: to prepare for the biggest exam of the semester, the fundamentals of life. But they never expected the room to respond when they whispered the question aloud. What makes something alive? The observatory trembled, and the air thickened. From the shadows stepped a figure made of moving roots and cracked stone. The Warden of Life, a creature both mythical and unmistakably real. Its voice sounded ancient, but not unkind. "You seek an answer students have chased for centuries," the Warden said. "Then walk with me. Prove you understand the living by recognizing them." With a gesture, the Warden opened a shimmering passage. Arin stepped through, finding themselves in a vast, surreal landscape, a place where the principles of biology took form. The first to appear was a child made of shifting light, growing taller with every breath. "Growth and development," the Warden said. "Every living thing changes, seed to tree, child to adult, cell to organism. Nothing alive stays as it began." Arin nodded, taking mental notes even as their heartbeat quickened. A second figure emerged, this one splitting into two copies of itself, each identical, each alive. "Reproduction," the Warden continued. "Life carries the burden and privilege of continuing itself. Whether through seeds, eggs, budding, or division, life must create life." Before Arin could respond, the world around them shuddered. A cool wind swept in, and a towering figure of flowing water rose from the ground. When light flashed across its surface, it rippled and recoiled. "Response to stimuli," Arin whispered. The Warden nodded. "Even the simplest organism senses and reacts. To light, heat, touch, danger. To live is to respond." A burst of golden light erupted above them. Something like a burning feathered creature soared overhead, every beat of its wings radiating heat. "That one," said the Warden, "embodies energy use. All living things obtain and use energy, feeding, photosynthesizing, consuming, transforming. Without energy, life falters." As the phoenix-like creature dissolved, tiny glowing motes swirled around Arin, clustering together like stars forming constellations. "Cells," Arin murmured. "Cellular organization," the Warden confirmed. "Every living thing is built from cells, one or many. They are the architecture of life." Suddenly the ground darkened, and a foul mist escaped from a nearby fissure. The Warden gestured toward it. "What you see is waste," he said. "A reminder that all living things must excrete, remove what harms them, keep what sustains them." The air shifted again, becoming warmer, then colder, then stable once more around Arin's body. "And this," said the Warden, "is homeostasis, the quiet, constant balance every organism maintains. Temperature, water, chemicals, life survives by controlling its inner world, even when the outer world changes." Arin exhaled slowly. They could feel the pieces locking into place, not as memorized facts, but as undeniable truths. The landscape dissolved until only the Warden remained. "You came seeking answers for an exam," he said. "But life is not a list to memorize. It is a pattern, a unity. When you recognize these traits, growth, reproduction, response, energy, cells, excretion, balance, you recognize what it means to be living." The observatory returned around them, quiet and still. Arin stood alone again, but not uncertain. They finally understood why their professor sent them here. Some lessons needed to be learned, not recited. And this one, the test of the living, had just begun.